Lithosphere, the solid outermost layer of the earth, is called the lithosphere or sphere of rock. What is the lithosphere? Lithosphere means the solid portion of the earth or the earth crust or the outermost layer of earth called the lithosphere, or it is known as the sphere of rock also. It consists of rocks, minerals and thin layer of soil. And what included into the lithosphere? In lithosphere consist rocks, minerals and thin layer of soil, that all included into the lithosphere. It is about 100 kilometer thick. And how much the breadth of the lithosphere on the earth planet? The lithosphere breadth near about 100 kilometer. Lithosphere breadth or the our earth lithosphere breadth is the 100 kilometer, or our earth crust the 100 kilometer thick, and that is known as the lithosphere. Its surface is irregular and is made up of various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. Lithosphere. Lithosphere means our earth crust is not in regular shape in everywhere. It is irregular, means somewhere we are looking the plateaus region, somewhere we are looking mountains, somewhere we are looking the valleys, means these landforms are different in different region. So that's why I said the earth surface is in irregular shape, but that all are included into the lithosphere. Then the thin uppermost layer of the lithosphere, which is about 35 km in thickness, is called the crust. And our earth planet, the outermost layer known as the crust, and that outermost layer crust breadth is the 35 km. It is the 35 km, means lithosphere uppermost layer known as the crust, and that is thickness is the 35 kilometer. Thickness or breadth. Thickness also said means no problem, breadth means also no problem. Means the thickness of that crust is near about 35 kilometer, and that is the uppermost layer of the lithosphere. The layer below the crust is called the mantle. After crust there is again one layer, that layer is known as the mantle. Okay, I will show to you diagram, and with the diagram I will explain it. Are you looking here? This is the crust. Okay, this is known as the crust, and this crust thickness is near about 35 kilometers, and this is the uppermost layer of the lithosphere. After the crust, beneath the crust, below the crust, there is again one layer. That layer is known as the mantle, and means the layer below the crust is called the mantle, and it is made up of two parts, upper and lower mantle. This mantle also, you are looking here, the name means mantle. This is the mantle, and this mantle divided in two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle and lower mantle, these are the two parts of the mantle, and mantle beneath the crust. crust के बाद का जो पार्ट आता है अर्थ सरफेस का, वो है मैंटल. मैंटल जो है वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है, एक है अपर मोस्ट मैंटल और दूसरा है लोअर मैंटल. अपर मैंटल और लोअर मैंटल, अंडरस्टूड. आफ्टर दैट the lithosphere is of great importance to us as it provides forest, grassland, soil to grow crops and land on which we live and build our homes. This lithosphere is very much important for us. Why it is important? Because this lithosphere provide to us grassland. This lithosphere provide to us forest. This lithosphere provide to us soil for doing the agriculture, as well as it is providing place for building the house to us. Means we are making homes on the lithosphere, and many ways this lithosphere is very much useful for us. So that's why it's become very much important for us. Understood? What is the uses of the lithosphere? इसके uses क्या है, इसका importance क्या है, समझ में आया क्या?